everyone, I hope you all are doing good. If you have watched my last vlog, recently I visited IKEA to buy some of the stuff for my home and kitchen. In case if you have missed to watch that video, I'll leave a link in description box so that you can go and watch again. And as it was their IKEA's first anniversary in Bangalore, they were having some amazing offers as well. And also they did give me a little surprise too, which you'll get to know very soon. I will also link all the products which I bought from IKEA, the online link from IKEA application, so you can go and buy if you would like to. So without any further delay, let the fun begin and grab your coffee or tea to enjoy this video.